What's up, guys? We're back in another video, and we found a baby hurt hummingbird. We don't know if it's hummingbird. Comment down below if you know what kind of bird this is. He hasn't been eating much. We got him some chicken food. Because we don't have bird food. He has some water. He hasn't been walking. His legs are broke. But anyway, what's up, guys? We're back, and we just have a hurt hummingbird. We think it's a hummingbird. Comment down below what you think it is. My cat had it. He got spanking. So my cat, we got him so he could eat. He can get mouse, rats, anything around the yard. But you know what it's not supposed to get is baby hummingbirds. I'm just gonna call it a hummingbird. If I'm wrong, comment down below. But here he is. I haven't showed you much. He might chirp a little bit, but he's right here. He's kind of hurt. And hey, what's up, guys? And I got my boy Ty. He's making his own video. We are here, and we are in his video. Camera to camera, and we're here. We're ready. Making a video. I'm gonna pick him up a little bit.
See, he's still alive. I think he's still breathing. Oh, see, his legs are definitely broken. They're red a little bit.
Yeah. What's up? His legs are broken, guys.
So we think it's a hummingbird. Put it down in the comments. There he is.
His legs are definitely broken, guys. Look at his leg. It's all the way up at his head.
Try to fix him. On this video. So he is too.
Oh, should we put some water and a couple of drops of food in there? So, the procedure.
Get a little bit of this in a can here, and we'll sit him on.
Hey, back in my video, bruh.
And I'll make that right there. Put him right there on the net. He's just gonna rest, and
Hopefully he's better by tomorrow.
and if he isn't by tomorrow, then I'm gonna get a cold rag or baby wipe and put it on his leg.
I'm gonna see if he'll eat him.
It is nighttime.
Guys, it is 8. It's 8:49, almost 9.
Not as good as my other one.
Pretty dark. It's dark. We found this bird with my cat. We got him. Got his bank. I'm sitting on a four-wheeler. Imagine I just drive off. Boom. And yeah. This is not good whatsoever. Hey Ty, should we put him in there? Like for the night?
That is a good idea.
Let's put him in there for the night, just in case like the dogs get in here or something. Because his dogs are little eerie. So
And so
we got him. We're gonna put him in here.
I don't know if I put this on the video or not when they're in here. I haven't videoed in a little while.
And we're gonna get his cushion.
Chickens are actually gone. They turned brown. And they're in the dog pit now. So
His cushion. Oh, he needs some food. So we're just gonna get some food. We're gonna get his water.
there's the bird. And this video is
And let me get some food for him. Watch out, Ty.
if he moves tomorrow, that means
And that's good if he's walking.
that's a good signal. Yeah, but
what? We're doing it, all right? So, wait, Ty. Let's put the top on like we did the chicken, just in case. And we should put a lamp on there. Let's put the lamp on there and the top.
Wait, I think the top should be okay because he can't even walk.
I know, but the dogs.
Oh, well, they can get in there.
Okay. All right.
So
Let's
we
put
will-
the lamp in there.
We're gonna put that. So we're gonna put it right here. In this one spot.
And this is the vet area. My guy's shop. It's equally there. He got his heat thing. That's really good if he had a heat thing.
Now we're gonna
Turn the light off.
We're gonna go see Brown Cat.
Oh God, it's like. Are you calling through there? All right. We're just gonna roll.
And
Over here. So let's go see his cat. With the dark.
You can see me better. I mean, you can't see me that good.
You can see
But
me
you
better
can see
than
this. You can see this better than my other camera.
you can see
I
me.
can't like.
You can see me. The
What? What? Hey, can we just have a few more minutes? We just gotta do something. Okay.
All right, we gotta finish the video. Bro, his dad is so needy, bro. Like he just wants to keep him. Hey, the cat. We got the cat. We should snatch him by the neck. Does he have anything else?
Huh?
Hey, I saw him go back over there. I saw him come back up. I saw him go back over here because
Wait, Brent, is there anywhere you can like put everything?
he puts it behind there. Because when after he was sitting over there and I walked by him and I looked behind me, he was running over here.
Okay.
So
This
he might
is
be.
pitch dark. I don't know. We can't even see so bright.
Hey, I can still see myself.
It's dark mode.
I can see myself. Hey guys. Look. Wait, we can't see anything. What if we step on it? Hey guys, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll finish up the video tomorrow. Let's just real quick in the video. Let's go see the bird. Just a few more minutes. So good night, birdie.
Yep.
And where's that cat? Where's the cat?
I don't know. I'm gonna kick him across the yard like you did.
Yeah. I kicked him across the yard one
I don't
time.
know where he is.
Not like I tossed him across the yard, not kicked him across the yard. I tossed him across the yard one time because he
So
hurt
yeah, we're
a
gonna
cat.
go see the
He
bird.
hurt my other cat.
We're gonna check
He
around.
killed a
Look
hummingbird
around a little
and
bit.
he
Make sure
killed
we
a
got
cardinal.
everything.
So that's why
Right.
I'm across the yard and
Oh,
he
you know
did
what?
all the
I'm
things
just gonna
and
do
just
this tomorrow. I'm checking on the. I'll see you next week.
and I'll see you guys. I'll check on them tomorrow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!